3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Crew-10. Go NASA Crew-10.
The ISS is one of the only places we can conduct a long duration research in microgravity. So we use the ISS as a test bed to develop new space technology and to better understand how space environment affects human bodies.
The International Space Station is absolutely a proving ground to deep space exploration. The science that we conduct here, it's really organized curiosity and organized ways to get answers if we're going to go back to deep space exploration.
Let's go back to cassette 1 for a minute and get you to hold that up to the camera where we can get a good view of it, please. Okay, looks great.
At any given time here on the International Space Station, there are over 200 experiments going on, whether it's inside, outside, looking at Earth, looking at the deep space. So we do a lot of different types of research. We use microgravity to learn lots of things about different processes in different science. So physics, fluid dynamics, chemical dynamics, mechanical, material science, all sorts of things. We learn so much when we take the force of gravity away about those small forces and processes that we just can't see on Earth.
Beautiful. We see that. You'll put it into the bubble wrap bag, and then once that's sealed, it'll go into the labeled Ziploc.
It's easy to say space station's been flying for 25 years. It benefits everybody on Earth. But when you are living it year to year to year, you see these like logarithmic leaps in our ability to do science on the space station. And every single year that space station flies, there is more benefit to everybody on Earth. Always dream big, never give up on your dreams, and believe in yourself. It can take you to some pretty crazy places, huh?
Yeah, it can.
Subscribe for more space.